Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to check the Imei of this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the Imei number. The first one requires entering the secret code, so let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both Imei numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down and enter the system and tap on About Phone. Right here we have to enter the status. And here we've got both Imei numbers for both SIM slots also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.